Don Bradman, Mohammad Yusuf, Inzi Bhai, they were having a huge average.
And we are cursing him also that he's unable to perform at times. Sometimes you also don't see this match. Do you think that Rizwan, Agha Salman and Fakhar, the game is all of these
Could be more than helpful for Pakistani team.
And lastly, before we conclude this with Tahir bhai, do you
Otherwise, it
think
will be very difficult for us to stay in the tournament because Pakistani team nowadays not a team.
so? There are lots of discussion happening in sport, and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
May God, Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And we were reading a statement about the great Harbhajan Singh that he said that Babar, a great player like him, should be averaging at least 50, and his average against India is quite poor. It is kind of fact, Tahir bhai. After that innings in 2021, he has not been able to get runs against India.
Akib, at this point, I totally agree with Harbhajan Singh. To be honest.
One time he's right.
Yeah, one time out of 100, he is right. But I still love Harbhajan Singh. He is my childhood favorite spinner. I love the way he delivers the ball and his complex action. Everything was just stupendous. I repeat, stupendous. So, Akib, if you are a great player, average matters a lot. Look, Asian Rodman, Don Bradman, Zaheer Abbas, even Don Bradman, Mohammad Yusuf, Inzi Bhai, they were having a huge average, at least 40 plus. Repeating my Akib. So Akib, I think, but Akib Babar is also considering the fact that he also admitted that he is no more king. King is only Fakhar in the current scenario. So Akib, I will give message to Harbhajan Singh that Babar accepted his downfall, and he is totally agree with you. So give some time to Babar. He will he will prove his form well.
And Tahir bhai, as we're speaking about Babar, obviously tomorrow is the opening match. Actually, it is today as Wednesday has started. How do you see, Tahir bhai? Do you see a big daddy under from Babar tomorrow? Against New Zealand, he has a chance to take revenge also of the final.
Yes, Akib, I totally agree with you. Babar has a good chance. Even Pakistani team could have chance because
No doubt New Zealand is very strong.
not very strong, but Pakistan has also played a lot of cricket in past week or so. So I think Pakistan should keep on watching the videos closely about New Zealand match. What were the shortcomings of Pakistan and what are the strengths of New Zealand? So they should plan this match accordingly.
And Tahir bhai, as we're talking about New Zealand, you know that they've got more than one spinner, and we're only going with one specialist spinner, Abrar. And we are cursing him also that he's unable to perform at times. Sometimes you also don't see the pitches as well.
Yeah, okay, here I will request PCB instead of inclusion of Haris Rauf, they should add one more spinner.
We are utilizing Khushdal and Agha Salman, not regular bowlers.
Yeah,
No doubt Agha bowling brilliantly.
but Akib, the main spinner has its own class. Until unless in the Asian pitches, our home ground, we are not properly utilizing these pitches, it's a very sorry state of affair, and we could silent clap on ourselves.
And Tahir bhai, tomorrow's match, do you think that Rizwan, Agha Salman and Fakhar, the game is all of these three? If Babar fails to click, I feel that this team is revolving too much around Fakhar Zaman. That his quick start will
Yeah,
propel the team.
okay, it's a very matter of concern. No doubt Fakhar is on a blooming form, but rest of the team should not fire on the shoulder of Fakhar. Everyone should play their role, at least 30-40 runs. If a single player could contribute, we have a playing side of 11 players. So it sums up to the 300 plus runs.
Yes.
I think every player should segregate runs on each other so they could place according to run. No need to big 50s or big centuries. If every gun could contribute of their own part, then it could be more than helpful for Pakistani team.
And lastly, before we conclude this with Tahir bhai, do you think if we have managed to beat New Zealand, then we can also beat India on 23rd? Because obviously the confidence will go a bit high.
Yes, Akib, confidence will go big high, but on the other hand, we should pull our socks.
It's a small tournament, anything can happen.
Yeah, anything can happen. It's a very unpredictable tournament, to be honest. So I think, but you are totally right. Winning the opening match, it will definitely boost the confidence. It will be helpful for us to utilize against the biggest team like India and other teams as well.
And that doesn't happen regularly, that you lose the first match like 2017 and win all the game. That's
Yeah, that was very unorthodox, Akib, at that point of time. But Akib, we should win the first match, to be honest. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to stay in the tournament because Pakistani team nowadays not a team who is built for handling the pressure.
So, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to have you with another video. So, that's for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports Safe for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tahir. Stay good to yourself and Allah Hafiz.